guys, so I went through my newspaper and I just wanted to kind of break it down for you guys to give you more of an understanding of what I mean by when I put in my breakdowns SS 825 or SS 811. So in this Sunday's newspaper, it is P&G week, which means we get the P&G insert. These are good all the way through September. So you always want to make sure that I get multiples. As you can see, I got 5 newspapers today because these could be good matchups for this week. They could be good matchups for next week, so on and so forth. So I wanted to make sure that I was able to get some multiples. As you can see, there's always a ton of good hair care. There's some good stuff for medicines. Vapor rub is always a good thing to grab. Oral care, this is a good one. These we're going to be using at Walgreens this week for a moneymaker, so stay tuned for that. So make sure that you guys go through this. So our region does not get these here. You have to go to Brand Saver and print them, which I've already done. So you just want to go to brandsaver.com. You're going to click all these and then you're going to print them.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for tuning in. I am Bree the Coupon Queen. So today, Sunday, I went to CVS as usual. In the beginning of this video, I went in the store to the red box as usual, typed in my phone number, got all of my coupons. Okay, so after all of those coupons printed at the red box, I took a tour around just to see if there are any unadvertised deals or any good clearance items that I want to go ahead and grab. So the first deal I want to get into is one that I wasn't even planning on buying, but it was on clearance and it had a peely for a free after mail-in rebate. So that is on this. It's called the Dickinson Witch Hazel. It is their puppy eye gel. So as you can see here, it was on clearance for 50% off. Regular price, it's $13.99. Then on the left, you see that peely, it says free offer. So I read the peely, it's for a mail-in rebate. So what I did is I purchased this, then you fill out that mail-in rebate, you put your name, your address, your phone number, you send in the receipt, so you have to give them the original, it cannot be a photocopy. I put it in the mail right when I got home to make sure I didn't forget, and this is gonna wind up being absolutely free. So I was really excited about that. Just a bonus deal, I wasn't even planning on doing that. There are a couple other clearance items that I'm gonna show you in a slideshow towards the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. There's some really cheap formula and some good facial products as well. So if you want to get some good stocking stuffers, things like that, start planning for the holidays, stay tuned for those. The next deal I want to get into is Thermacare. So these are the Thermacare heat wraps. They have the neck version like I got. They also have a back or shoulder version. Either one, it's going to be 3 in this package, and they are all $7.79. So as you see pictured here, there is a $3 off coupon from previous inserts that I went ahead and used. So total out of pocket was $4.79. Then on Saving Star, there is a $3 rebate that you're gonna go ahead and get back. So remember, for Saving Star, you have to activate this rebate before you check out because it is linked to your CVS Extra Care card. So when you type that in at the register, then it's going to be linked to Saving Star, and then Saving Star is gonna give you back that rebate. So you do have to activate this one before you go to the store. So make sure you check that out now. So final cost on this is going to be just $1.79. So that's a really good deal. There are 3 in there. The next deal I'm going to get into is going to be the Reese's and the Kit Kat. So these are on sale for the singles, 88 cents each. I had a 75-cent off 2 CRT from the red box when I printed that long list of coupons this morning. I also had $1 off of $3 Kit Kat or Reese's. So I combined the 2. Final cost on those is going to be $1.74 for all 4, or just 44 cents each. So I thought that was a really good deal, so I wanted to pick that up for Halloween candy. The next deal I want to get into is these Kleenex wipes. So I really like these, that's why I bought them. I keep them in my bathroom. They're pretty much like wet wipes for adults. So you can use them for your hands, your face, anything like that. I've used them, they're really good products. These are the 24 count, so they're on sale 2 for $4. Regular price, they're like $2.49 each, so that saves you about $1 there as well. Then you're gonna use 2 of the 75 cents off 1 coupon from the Smart Source, today's Smart Source. So as you saw in the previous video, all the different coupon inserts that we got in the Sunday paper. So these coupons are going to be found in that Smart Source insert. So you're going to use 2 of those. You're going to pay $2.50 out of pocket. You're going to submit the receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get 25 cents back each, so that'll give you 50 cents back. So the final cost is just $2 for both, or $1 each. So that's a really good deal. Make sure you also submit this to Fetch Rewards. It's a bonus. You get 50% back in points of the price. So I submitted that. Hopefully that goes through, so I'll probably wind up getting another $1 back is what I'm assuming. So it may just wind up being 50 cents each, so that's a really hot deal. The next deal I want to get into is the Shea Moisture. These are hair masks. So I got 2 of them. Typically, these really small ones are not included in BOGO deals and in Extra Buck reward deals, but these are included. They were not tagged in the store. So if you ever have any questions about if something is included in a deal or not, all you have to do is take this up to that that Red Box Center where I got all the coupons. You're just going to scan the barcode and it'll tell you what the price is and any deals or sales it has going on. So for this one, it is included in that deal. So the deal for Shea Moisture is buy 1, get 1 half off, buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So with these being buy 1, get 1 half off, the deal winds up being you buy 2 of them at $3.49. The second one is $1.74. So the total cost is $5.23. You're going to get back that $5 extra buck, so it's going to be just 23 cents for both of these, or just 12 cents each. So this is a really good deal, especially for stocking stuffers, or if you want to give this back to your teacher for teacher appreciation, anything like that. It's a really cheap item, but it's a really high quality gift. So make sure you guys go ahead and pick this up. For the U by Kotex, this is another good deal. These are the small ones. This is the 16 count of liners. These are only $1.79 each. They're also BOGO, buy 2, get $1 extra buck. So again, it is not marked in the store. So I went to the Red Box and it's gonna print this out for you. Shows that it is included in the BOGO. So the final deal on this, you're gonna buy 2 of them. Total cost is going to be $2.68. I had a $2 off Kotex CRT from that Red Box that I printed this morning. So I used that coupon. Final cost is 68 cents. You're gonna get back that $1 extra buck, so these both wound up being absolutely free, plus a 32-cent moneymaker for me, so that was a really good deal there. So for my oral care deal, I combined 2 deals because I had a $3 off of $12 when you spend for mouthwash, oral care, and toothbrushes. So the deal is, for this, it is the Crest Pro Health. This is the Intense. They also had another version, but I thought the packaging on this looked pretty cool, so thought I'd give it a shot. These are $4.99. This is the 1 liter bottle. So the deal on the Crest mouthwash is buy 1, get a $2 extra buck. There is a $1 off 1 coupon from today's P&G insert. So you're gonna go ahead and cut that out and give that to the cashier when you're checking out. Then I had a $1 off mouthwash CRT from the Red Box again this morning that printed, and then I combined that with this deal because again I had that $3 off of $12 CRT, and this is only $4.99, so I have to hit that $12 threshold for that coupon to work. So this deal is on the Oral-B 2-pack toothbrushes. So the deal on this is buy 1, get a $3 extra buck, limit of 2. So I maxed out the deal, I did it twice. So for those, there is another $1 off each one. So $1 off coupons in today's P&G. I bought about 5 newspapers this morning, so that's how I was able to get the multiples. So you're gonna put $1 off of this one and $1 off of this one. So the final prices, including the mouthwash, is going to be $15.37. It's going to be $7 in coupons, so it was $8.37. Then you're gonna get back $8 in extra care bucks. So $3 for this one, $3 for this one, and $2 for this one. So $8 back. Final price out of pocket is just 37 cents for all 3 items. So that's a super hot deal. Then I noticed when I was browsing the aisles, Nature Valley bars are on sale. These are typically like $4 each. They're very expensive. They're on sale for $1.88 each. So that's a really good deal there. As you see in this photo, I had a $1 off 2 coupon from previous inserts. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of these. The final cost was $2.76 after that coupon, or just $1.38 each. So I thought that was a really hot deal. I use these at work just as snacks, so that's why I went ahead and wanted to capitalize on that one. Then let's get into the Hellmann's. So you can either get the light or you can get the real mayonnaise. They are on sale 2 for $6. There is $1 off 1 coupons for the Hellmann's in the retail me not from today. A lot of the coupons were from today's insert, so make sure you guys grab a newspaper. So you're going to use $2 off 1 coupons. Total out of pocket is going to be $4. You're going to submit it to Ibotta for 75 cents back each. Final cost is going to be $2.50 or just $1.25 each. So that's a really good deal for that. Okay, so for the P&G deal, I went ahead and did diapers. I bought these for someone who is in need of them. So that's why I did the diaper deal. Oh, there we go. These at the end wind up being $4 each, which is a super hot deal. So the P&G deal is spend $20, get a $5 extra care buck back. So you're gonna pick up 2 of these. They are on sale 2 for $10. Then you're going to use the $3 off 2 from today's P&G, as you see in this photo. I also had a $3 off of $12 spend on diapers and baby care products, so I paired that up. Then in the app, there is a $1 off 1 in-app only coupon that you want to clip to your card for diapers. So that was just an extra freebie, an extra $1 off, which is awesome. So the final on this is going to be $20. Then you're going to use the $3 from the P&G. I had, again, that $3 diaper CRT. Then the $1 off app coupon. It's going to be $7 in coupons. Final cost is $13 for both. You're going to get back $5. So the final cost there winds up being $8 for 2 of them, or $4 each. So that is a super hot deal for diapers. Diapers are very expensive. I think that is all of the deals that I did. There are some extra deals, so stay tuned. I'm going to send out some of these photos for some different clearance items. There is a very hot clearance deal on some formula for infants, newborns, 0 to 3 months. So if this is in your CVS, definitely go pick it up. That's very expensive. It's typically $30. It is marked down 75%, so that's a really good deal there. There's also deals on vitamins. They are buy one, get one free for Nature's Bounty, for example. So I'm gonna go back. I had a CRT for vitamins. I just didn't grab it today. So that'll make for a really hot deal. Even if you don't have any of the CRTs or coupons, it's buy one, get one free. So that's a really hot deal there. So thanks again for tuning in. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. It is in that bottom left-hand corner or right-hand corner. And give this video a thumbs up if you have any questions or any other deals that you saw or unadvertised deals that I didn't take advantage of. Please drop a comment, let me know. And if you have any other needs, let me know. The other deal in the printable breakdown is going to be for some hair care and Tide Pods. That one winds up being a little bit cheaper. It winds up being about $5.93 out of pocket, or just $1.18 each. So look at that in the printable breakdown. Everything is going to be listed below, so you guys can just print out the document and go to the store. It makes it really easy for you guys. Thanks again for tuning in, and stay tuned for my Walgreens haul that I'm going to be posting in the next few days.